Okay, everyone, this video obviously will help some of you guys understand Khan Academy a little bit better, how Khan Academy works. I've been playing around with it myself, doing my own homework, like I told you I would in the last video. But anyways, once you're in Khan Academy, as you can see, this is my setup screen according to Mr. Collier here. I have these assignments here, okay? Now, I went ahead and clicked this first one right here, Intro to Polynomials. Okay? Here's what popped up. Now, on the left side, those little arrow symbols there are videos. Now, guys, I'll make a deal with you. Don't watch the videos if you don't want. Instead, focus on the practice problems on the right side of the screen. Just do those. Click on that start button right there. Okay? Now, once you, and here's another section that has 4 videos, right? Actually, 3 videos. And then this right here actually is like either a review, which means it probably could be notes. And remember, guys, if you do any notes for me in your notebook, I'm eventually going to collect the notebooks, right? And I'm going to give you extra credit for that. It'll be worth your time. But anyways, every section is a little different. This first section had 2 videos and 1 practice set. This one has 3 videos, some notes it looks like, and all of these are practice set of questions. And again, just go and do the practice. See if you can't do the practice without watching the videos. But if you get stuck on the practice, guys, try watching the video, see if that helps. If that doesn't help, let me know, and you know I'm going to make videos to help you out with that. Okay? Just do the practice. All right? Now, at the end of each major section is a overall summary quiz that you also should take. Again, it's just more practice problems. Okay? And this part of Khan Academy, guys, you should actually kind of like. Just go through the practice problems. It's just like doing a worksheet for me, okay? With different problems on it. The difference is it'll actually let you know if you're right or wrong, and it'll keep giving you different questions until you get enough right, which is pretty cool, actually. Anyways, here's your surprise. I thought I would do one of those practice sets with you. And if you take notes on this, you could practice along with me. Okay? So let's just learn this together. This one says, which polynomials are in standard form? So, if you don't know what they mean by standard form, let me teach it to you. Okay? See, this right here is not in standard form. Why? Because you want it to be n minus 10. You want the variables first, the constant always is last. This right here is not standard form. Why? Because you want it to be like this. See, you want the highest power going down to the lowest power in order, and then again, the constant at the end, always. So if you look at this one here, that one's out of order, right? It should be negative 7n3 plus 4n squared plus n. So I'm going to click none of the above. And when I click none of the above, it let me know right here. The green means it's right. Actually, I'm going to click check. It showed up green. I click check right here. And it said, yay, I'm right. So it moved me on to the next question. All right. This is the second question. So if you want to pause the video, feel free to do so. So what this one's figuring out, do you know what a 5th degree polynomial is? Do you know what a leading coefficient of 7 means in a constant term of 6? Well, a 5th degree polynomial, guys, means the power is 5. Notice this one has a power of 5. This one does not. This one has a power of 5. This one does not. So I'm down to either A or C. The leading coefficient is supposed to be 7. Aha! That one is 7. The leading coefficient is the number in front of your variable, right? This one has a leading coefficient, for example, of 6. So I already know my correct answer is A, right? And then you could double check, see how the last number is a 6 as well. The constant term was 6. So degree means the highest power, basically. Leading coefficient means the number in front of the variable of the highest power. And the constant term 6 means the number by itself without a variable. So anyways, I clicked on A. I got it right. Here's my third question. They just want to know the degree of the polynomial. Now, guys, what did I just tell you what a degree was? It was the highest power. Notice the highest power is 5. So I'm going to type in 5. I'm then going to go ahead and click check. And as you can see, I got it right. It told me I leveled up. Looks like there's one more question. So I click next question. I've gotten 3 in a row. So pause it if you want to get this problem down in your notebook. So it's going back to the original question. Which one's in standard form? Guess what? That one's in standard form. See how I have the z and then the number -1 at the end? This one is not in standard form. The minus 5x squared should be first, the 4x second, and the 2 last. It's got to be in order by power, and the number by itself is always at the end. That's called the constant. Finally, this one right here is in standard form. See how we have the 5 power, the 2 power, the 1 power, and then finally the constant. So I'm going to click on A and C. And then I'm going to click check. As you can see here, I clicked AC. I'm going to click check. Awesome. I leveled up. I got 330 energy points, whatever the hell that means. The important thing is you got points, and I'm going to see that. Okay? This is what you want. You want to say, hey, I earned so many points. You earned so many points. I'm going to see that when I check the status of how you guys are all doing. And then, of course, I'm going to click done. Okay? Now, if you just stay on the right side again, guys, you can just take the unit test for the whole section. I recommend take your time, okay? The next section after the one we just did was average rate of change of polys. Click start here and do that practice problem. If you get stuck, go back to some of the videos. If you're still stuck, like I said, they actually give you hints on notes as well along the way. If that doesn't work, then please let me know. I will teach it to you. Okay? But guys, the reality is we have what? 3 weeks still, roughly, until we meet. And until then, just go at a nice steady pace every day. You know, watch a lot of movies, watch a lot of TV shows. When you finally get bored of that like I am, come back to your damn computer or laptop or iPad, whatever phone you're using, and start working them out. Speaking of which, guys, I recommend to not do this on the phone as much as I recommend do it on a bigger screen device. Give yourself a break, for God's sakes, right? Use your computer, use your iPad, whatever tablet you got. If you have to, of course, please use your phone. But I think that's the end of this video. I hope it helps. Know that I'll keep making videos for you guys. Keep in touch. I'll try to keep in touch as well. And we'll make this happen. So, hope to see you soon.